Hi friends, in this video, you will get a quick overview of the various string methods available in Python. Methods are specialized functions only available to an object of specific data type. String objects have access to various methods which can be categorized as case conversion methods such as lower, upper, title, swap case and capitalize. Checking for specific types of characters using isAlpha, isDigit, isAlnum, isAsCII, isLower, isUpper, isSpace, and isTitle methods. Splitting a string using partition and split methods. Stripping characters from a string using lstrip, rstrip, and strip methods. Checking the presence of prefix or suffix using starts with and ends with methods. Search and replace methods such as count, find, rfind, index, rindex, and replace. In the next set of videos, we will go through each of the above mentioned methods in detail. So, stay tuned.